Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy Hanukkah to our Jewish friends. This is Scott Miller with River City Mortgage and Financial. Welcome to this week's Market Minute for the week of December 21st, 2009. First, I want to apologize. Today's actually Tuesday, and I'm getting it sent out obviously one day late, so I do apologize for that. A lot of stuff is going on right now. And in fact, today we got an article that talked about how home sales rose the highest they have in the last 3 years, and that's resale homes, not necessarily new construction. That's a positive trend that we're starting to see people starting to buy houses that'll stabilize our values and hopefully have them start up. However, remember that approximately 2 million of those, they're attributing 2 million new home buyers to that first-time home buyer credit that was originally scheduled to end November 30th. So that's why there's probably a big rush. A lot of people back in probably October, possibly even late September, buying houses to close in November just for that home buyer credit, tax credit. And then, of course, it was extended now until next year, buying a house by April 30th and then closing by the end of June. So that may have had something to do with it, but still look for that trend then to be pushed in the first quarter of next year. A lot of first-time home buyers, a lot of move-up buyers will be moving as well. So now is a great time to really talk to your real estate professional, your realtor, and make sure you consider moving. With rates so low, and with you get that $6,500 tax credit if you qualify for a move-up buyer, and of course the first-time home buyer still getting their tax credit. So something to take a look at right now in making a move. The other thing that we have to keep talking about, and I've been bringing this up, and I want to make sure you understand this. Rates are artificially low right now because of the $1.25 trillion that the Fed has earmarked to purchase mortgage-backed securities. They are gradually trying to weed their way out of that. It's scheduled to end the first quarter of 2010. The biggest fear that the Fed's talking about is how are they going to prevent mortgage rates from then going up to where they're supposed to be. Housing is a huge part of our economy. Home ownership, obviously, the people that buy houses, especially first-time home buyers, they've got to furnish it, they've got to buy all the stuff for their yard, all the different things that they need to purchase, that they will purchase, helps the entire economy. So it's a big deal, and that's going to be, we really are going to watch that. The other thing that they had said, that the Fed said in their last meeting, and I apologize, I wanted to read this the right way though, is he made statements that were mixed, and they said subdued inflation trends and stable inflation expectations. Anytime they start talking about inflation, that's where we have to be nervous about rates ticking upward. And remember, we're at lows, historic lows right now. They're going to have to go up. We know they're going up, we just don't know the exact date. So make sure you are making those decisions wisely. Remember last week's calculated risk or gambling. Make sure you're making the right decision. I wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas, a happy and safe New Year, and I do want to be your lender, so please call me at 763-509-7400. You can also reach me via email at smiller@rcmortgage.com. Thanks very much, and make it a great day.